Hey guys, how are you all doing? So I made zobo last night. This is the, what is it called? Like the sifting cloth I used to sift, the zobo liquid. And this is, I fed my sourdough starter last night as well. This morning we are going to our closest family friend's house. It's like a potluck gathering, so I'm making a couple of things, just 3 things. I think I already made the zobo last night so that it would be cold. I put them in the I put it in the fridge. But today I'm going to be making catfish Nsala soup, and then I will make some beef patties. We call it meat pie in Nigeria, and I'm going to be making coconut fried rice.
Watch as it breaks down beside us. When we've risked everything for life. On the outside, always looking in. We'll still hold on to all we could have been. To all we could have been. Would you still take me for a fool if I let you? Give it all away for you, so take me home. Take me home. It's colder than it's ever been before. Those photographs that once took pride of place, they're no more. How long should we try and make these lies till we fall? Would you still take me for a fool if I let you? Give it all away for you, so take me home. Take me home. Take me home. Take me
Later on in the night, when the crowds have gone, we could talk under moonlight till dawn. We could stay to watch the sunrise, cancel all our plans. We don't need a reason why we just can't. I wish I could stop time and stay in this moment, never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Got myself free falling deep into your eyes. You came to me without warning, but I knew why. wish I could stop time and stay in this moment. Never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while? Stay in this moment. Never think about going. Won't you stay with me for a little while?
I don't mind saying I rolled out of bed and I rolled up. Ooh, stretch my back and legs. Well, now what did the younger me become? I make some coffee and plan a night beside.
Mom, can I have this? Can I have this? Yes, you can.
Ooh, prepares me for the things that come. Yeah, beautiful morning, keeping me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that will make it through. And I have barely begun moving as I am out through seas unknown. Don't break no promises, sing in a key that your body believes. Ooh, I'm making my way out of the city. I need more time in the garden. Beautiful morning, keeping me alive when the darkness comes. Ooh, that kind of a morning. It's the natural feeling that you make it through. It's all I need to hold on, hold on, hold on. Yeah, it's all I do to hold on, hold on, and it's all I do to hold on. You know I hold on, oh, that's all I do to hold on. Said that you've been hurt one too many times before. Ended up staring in the bathroom mirror, crying on your bedroom floor. Baby, you can take my word, you haven't gotta hurt no more. Things about to get much better. I wanna make this forever. I wanna make this forever.
So let me go and shower and get ready. Every other person has showered, just me.
I was going to make a video of the big car.
Should have you fell out 100 times before. Going in circles along the street, running till your feet get sore. Well, I guess you haven't heard.
Just
Even yet around no more.
hello. Good afternoon, ma.
So I wanna make this forever. 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 I wanna make this forever.
Wow, nice picnic mat. Yeah, we just clocked for this month.
Actually, he is the last one. All the other girls did, I think, at 3.
No, praise.
Okay, no, please.
Don't wait for me, honey. Don't wait. 'Cause I'm
Welcome back home.
always heading your way.
Do not block the way. Never moving inside.
Exactly what
Daddy, mommy, take it for taking us.